Hey everyone, this is Anders Johnson, and today we're going to talk about hiding contacts on Facebook. Now, while you're browsing through your main news feed, you might see people that you are friends with, but you don't always want to get updates from. So let's see. Here's my friend Robin Hagler, and she's posted this shirt. And there's nothing really against her necessarily. I just don't feel like seeing this specific post. So I can just click on Hide Story. So what I did was I went to the upper right corner of this post for Robin Hagler. I clicked this little arrow, drops down this box, and I can hide this story. If the story is really bad, offensive, or something that perhaps you never signed up for or is not by a friend of yours that you remember friending, you may want to report the story as spam, or just report the story and say this was offensive to me. So I'm going to hide this story. Now, I can continue scrolling through. I like seeing pandas, that's fine. But I find this picture that my friend Joanna Marsh added. And maybe I dislike seeing posts by Joanna Marsh. I can actually just hide everything that I can just hide and unsubscribe from her posts and then hide her from my newsfeed simply by clicking unsubscribe from Joanna. So all I did was in the upper right-hand box of the post, clicked on the little arrow, drops down this dialog box, and then we just click unsubscribe from whomever it is you're trying to hide. My name's Anders Johnson, and today I've shown you how to hide contacts and what people in your contact list on Facebook are posting on your newsfeed.